My AI crypto bot is running arbitrage strategies on decentralized exchanges right now, generating steady passive income. By using Flashloans, it completely eliminates losing trades. Building this was simple. I gave AI a clear plan, it generated the code, and now it runs on the blockchain. In this video, I'll show you the exact blueprint so you can copy it and launch your own bot. Right here on the screen, you can see all the trades my AI trading system has made since it started. Yes, this system lives directly on the blockchain because it only deals with decentralized platforms. Here's a quick look at how it all goes down. Basically, it's the classic buy low, sell high strategy, but with a twist for the blockchain. The algorithm spots good chances to make money the moment they pop up, then quickly figures out the potential profit and risks, and then immediately decides and makes the trade on its own. It sounds easy, but these kinds of chances vanish in just seconds, which is why only an algorithm can do this. A person simply won't be fast enough. The best part is that the AI took care of all the tricky coding. So even if you're new to the crypto world or have no experience with programming, you can set it up just like I did. First off, if you haven't yet, install this browser add-on. As you can see, mine is already hooked up. If you're on a tablet or smartphone, just open the browser that's built into the app. Next, we copy the code. Then open this website. All the links and details are in the video description below. Here, we need to make a new file. Give it any name you like. I've already tested it and run it through some safety checks before using it. I'll copy this code and paste it into the file. After that, I'll go to another tab and check the version number at the top. Usually, it fills in automatically, but if not, just pick the right one from the list that drops down. When everything is ready, click this button. Great! Once it's finished, go to this tab, open the little menu, and choose the add-on you installed. Then confirm the connection. If it connects okay, your account info and balance will show up right here. Awesome! Now we need to click here. A small interaction fee will pop up. This is just how the blockchain works. You'll pay a little bit to upload things to the cloud and to use any feature, including clicking buttons to manage the system. I'll confirm it and let the operation finish. Perfect! Our system is uploaded to the cloud, and now the control panel is active. Before we move on, we need to click here and look at this address. This is the owner's address. It has to match your address, which you can find inside the add-on here. This is one of the safety features. This means you're the only person who can interact with this on-chain trading system. Now we need to copy this address and fund it. For this quick look, I'm putting in 2 Ethereum. From my tests, having 2 to 20 Ethereum gives the system enough room to work with real chances. A bigger amount of money can allow for bigger trades, which directly means more profit. You need at least 1 Ethereum because smaller amounts often lose money just from the fees. And if even 1 Ethereum seems like too much to you, honestly, it's probably better not to even try. My main bot uses 10 Ethereum, but in this example, I'll show 2 so that everyone can give it a shot. Once the money shows up, refresh the page to make sure the balance is displayed correctly. Perfect. Everything is set. Time to start the system. Click Activate, confirm the fee, and wait for it to confirm. Done. It's running. At this point, you can turn off your computer and go do your thing. The system will keep working because you've already paid a fee for it to be on the cloud, and it runs on the blockchain itself, not on your computer. New transactions in the Explorer should appear steadily every few hours, even on weekends, because this isn't a regular market, but a decentralized one. So I'll let it run for a bit, and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm back again. So folks, are you ready? Oh my God, now this is serious. This means that while I was away, the system itself was making trades every few hours. All of them are shown right there in the Explorer. I'll zoom in on each one now to show you the exact amounts. There were no delays, glitches, or freezes. Everything worked just like it should. And now for the best part. Once you decide to stop and take out your first money along with any profit, simply click this withdraw button. Wait for the block to confirm, then refresh your wallet to check your balance. During this demo run, the bot's performance was really good. This was a very successful start. Just a quick heads up before we wrap up. Everything discussed in this video is strictly for demonstration purposes. I am not a licensed financial expert, so none of this should be taken as investment, legal, or financial advice. I'm simply showing what I have tested myself with Web3. If you run into any trouble or have questions about setting it up, my contact info is pinned in the top comment. To start using this AI trading bot, just check the link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like and subscribe. See you very soon!